Hi, Ho Keegan the vlog here. Welcome back to the channel. And today we are doing Lambretta wrench time. This is my 1960-something Lambretta Li 150. I did some restoration work on this. Painted it all up, put new tires on it, cleaned the carburetors, replaced some of replaced kind of the running stuff here. So last time I rode this thing, this switch here decided that it was going to break, and this controls the headlight. So at the moment, this thing does not have a working headlight, and that is a safety issue. So we are going to fix that before it gets nice enough weather to ride this thing. So I have procured a new switch from Scootopia. New switch. So let's get the old one off and get the new one on. Good times. Right, this is the main switch, electrical switch housing here. So the wire is going to come through here and plug into this little device here. So we got to get this off next. So we just have to take the speedometer cable off and that light out, and then this will come off. Okay, there we go. Okay, go. Okay, not sure if you caught that, but broke the throttle cable in the process here. Damn it. So, you've seen me say in other videos that I am a parts hoarder. So, I have a complete cable set with oilers. I guess we're going to replace the throttle cable too. Cool. Okay. Go there. All right, new throttle cable run, because why not? All right, so now that that's done, and we've got this sticking out here ready to go, back to the original plan, and let's get this switch replaced. Okay. Doo-dee-doo. Blue. Okay, lights work. Let's get everything back together. Good. Okay, other than a couple of zip ties I got to replace, actually they're these little aluminum band clamps that just broke. She's ready to go. So hey, thanks for watching. Got 2 wheels ready to go for springtime. Need to clean it up a little bit though. See you next time.